Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing 23 smart ways to build wealth in 2026. And the reason this topic matters is simple. The world is changing fast. And if you don't adapt to your financial habits, you fall behind. By the end of this video, you'll understand practical, beginner-friendly steps you can start immediately to improve your financial future, grow your income, and build long-term stability. These are real strategies that work in everyday life, not complicated theories. 1. Pay yourself first. One of the most powerful wealth habits is paying yourself first. Instead of saving whatever's left at the end of the month, you save the moment your income arrives. Even a small amount builds discipline and momentum. This habit tells your mind that your future matters just as much as your present. To avoid lifestyle inflation as your income increases. It's tempting to upgrade everything. Your car, your clothes, your holidays. But lifestyle inflation keeps people stuck. Wealth grows when your income rises, but your spending stays stable. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is where wealth is created. 3. Learn high-value skills. In 2026, the fastest way to increase your income is by learning skills that companies actually pay for. Skills like accounting, Excel, data analysis, AI tools, project management, and digital marketing. These skills open doors to promotions, better jobs, and side income opportunities. When your skills grow, your earning power grows. 4. Start a small side income. You don't need a big business to make extra money. A simple side income, bookkeeping, tutoring, Excel services, consulting, selling digital templates, or offering admin support can add hundreds of pounds a month. That extra income can go straight into savings, investments, or debt repayment. Small streams eventually become rivers. 5. Use AI tools to boost productivity. AI is not replacing people, it's replacing people who refuse to use it. Tools like Copilot, ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Excel AI can help you work faster, automate tasks, and increase your value at work. The more productive you are, the more opportunities you attract. In 2026, IE is a wealth building tool. 6. Use a simple budgeting method. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. 2 methods work extremely well. The 50-30 20th rule, minus 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, or zero-based budgeting, where every pound has a purpose. A budget gives you control. Without one, money disappears without you noticing. 7. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, car repairs, medical bills, unexpected expenses. An emergency fund protects you from going into debt. Start with £500, then build up to 3 months of expenses. This one habit reduces stress and gives you financial stability. 8. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is equal. A mortgage or a business loan can be useful, but high-interest debt credit cards, payday loans, buy now, pay later destroys wealth. If you have bad debt, make a plan to pay it down slowly and consistently. Every pound you pay off is a pound you free for your future. 9. Invest in low-cost index funds. You don't need to be a stock market expert to invest. Low-cost index funds are simple, diversified, and beginner-friendly. They grow steadily over time and require almost no effort. Even £50 a month can grow into thousands over the years. The key is consistency, not perfection. Thus, maximize your pension contributions UK. If you're in the UK, your pension is one of the most powerful wealth building tools you have. Your employer contributes, you get tax relief, and your money grows over decades. Increasing your pension by even 1% can make a huge difference to your retirement wealth. Only protect your time and energy. Wealth isn't just money, it's also your time, your focus, and your mental clarity. Avoid distractions, set boundaries, and surround yourself with people who support your goals. When your energy is aligned, your financial decisions become smarter and more intentional. Those you track your spending weekly. Most people don't realize where their money actually goes. Tracking your spending weekly, not monthly, gives you real-time awareness. When you see your numbers clearly, you naturally make better decisions. Wealth grows when you stop guessing and start measuring. 3. Automate your savings and bills. Automation removes emotion from money. When your savings, investments, and bills are automated, you avoid late fees, avoid overspending, and stay consistent without effort. Wealth is built through systems, not willpower. 14. Increase your income annually. Every year, aim to increase your income even by a small amount. This could be through a raise, a new certification, a side income, or a better job. Wealth grows faster when your income grows faster than inflation. Keenly build a strong credit score. A good credit score saves you money on mortgages, loans, and even insurance. It gives you access to better financial opportunities. Wealth isn't just about earning more, it's also about reducing unnecessary costs. 16. Live below your means, not within them. Living within your means keeps you stable. Living below your means makes you wealthy. When you intentionally spend less than you earn, you create a financial gap, and that gap becomes your wealth engine. This is said you learn to say no. Financial boundaries are powerful. Saying no to unnecessary spending, social pressure, and impulse purchases protects your long-term goals. Wealth grows when you stop trying to impress others and start prioritizing your future. 18. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one income source is risky. Even two is better than one. Whether it's freelancing, digital products, Hanto income, or part-time consulting, multiple streams give you stability and faster wealth growth. It isn't obvious. Surround yourself with financially smart people. Your environment shapes your habits. When you spend time around people who save, invest, and think long-term, you naturally adopt similar behaviors. Wealth grows in the right environment. 20. Learn basic investing principles. You don't need to be an expert, but you do need to understand the basics. Compound interest, risk, diversification, and long-term investing. When you understand how money grows, you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Vinci review our finances every month. A monthly money review keeps you accountable. Look at your spending, savings, debt, and goals. Adjust what's not working. Wealth is built through small improvements repeated consistently. Vinci dois learn to delay gratification. One of the strongest predictors of long-term wealth is the ability to delay gratification. When you choose long-term rewards over short-term pleasure, your financial life transforms. Instead of buying something immediately, give yourself 24 hours to think. Most impulses fade, and you end up saving money without feeling deprived. Wealth grows when you make decisions based on your future, not your feelings in the moment. 23. Invest in your health. Your health is one of your greatest financial assets. When you take care of your body through sleep, nutrition, movement, and stress management, you reduce medical costs, increase your productivity, and maintain the energy needed to grow your income. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about having the physical and mental strength to build the life you want. A healthy mind and body create a healthy bank account. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. It really supports the channel. And tell me in the comments, which topic in this niche is your favorite, and what would you like me to cover next? Your feedback helps me create the videos that truly support your financial journey.